Hey, how are we doing today? So, opportunity cost. Taking a look at opportunity cost today, real key concept, right? I mean, you absolutely need to understand opportunity cost to understand economics because it really relates itself to everything. So, what I have here is a scenario. We got a food cart, okay, a little food cart. So I want you to kind of imagine the scenario. Imagine that it's like a really busy, say this represents like an hour, and what you can, and you're always in you're jam packed, but it takes a little bit longer to make tacos than it does to do hot dogs. Okay, so you could either make 5 tacos or 10 hot dogs. Okay, so let's talk about this graph. This is on the test. It'll be on regular tests, it'll be on the AP test. You're gonna have something like this. And what this does is works through all of your scenarios, okay? Essentially your production possibility, which we'll look at in another video. But basically, if you take a look at scenario A, okay, you're making 0 tacos, but then you're making 10 hot dogs, okay? And let's just see what happens as we move down this chart. Well, when we made 1 taco, because the key concept here is that you have scarcity of time, right? You can't make 5 tacos and 10 hot dogs, okay? It's impossible. You do not have enough time to do that. This represents all your time to hot dogs. This represents all your time to tacos, okay? So you can't have 2 hours of time when we're talking about, let's say this refers to like an hour, okay? So it's the absolute max output, okay? So you can make 10 hot dogs, but then if you made a taco, now you had to shift resources to be able to make that taco, okay? You couldn't make, you can't make all 10 hot dogs and still make a taco, so now you can make 1 taco, but then you're down to 8 hot dogs, okay? Then you make that second hot dog, or that second taco, well, now you can only make 6 hot dogs according to these production possibilities, okay? You made that third taco, and now you're down to 4 hot dogs. You made that fourth taco, you're down to 2. Or you could go all in on tacos. Let's say you're making bank on tacos. Okay, tacos are really making money for you. You can make 5 tacos, but then you can't make any hot dogs. So this then represents the opportunity cost. So I'm going to give you one practice question here, and then we're going to go through a bunch more in the next video. So the first practice question is this: what is the opportunity cost of the first taco? Did you get it? Let's see. It is 2 hot dogs because you gave up 2 hot dogs to make that taco. Okay? So hopefully that made sense. We're going to now practice it in the next video with this same chart. Rock and roll.